How to customize navigation and menus in Shopify intro. Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize navigation and menus in Shopify to improve your store's user experience. A well-organized menu makes it easier for customers to find products and navigate your store. Let's get started. Step 1. Access the navigation settings. Log into your Shopify admin. Go to Online Store greater than Navigation, and you'll see two main menu sections. Main menu for your primary navigation and footer menu for links in the footer. Step 2. Add and edit menu items. Click on the menu you want to edit. To add a new link, click Add Menu Item, enter the name, and select where it should lead, e.g., a collection, product, or external link. Click Save Menu when done. Step 3. Create drop-down menus. To organize your menu with drop-downs, drag and drop menu items under a main category. This helps group related items under a single menu title, making navigation more structured. Step 4. Customize footer menu. The footer menu is perfect for linking to policies, contact us, FAQs, or any other important pages. Edit it the same way as the main menu by adding or modifying links. Outro. And that's it. Now you know how to customize navigation and menus in Shopify to enhance your store's usability. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next one.